right, now welcome back. Now still the late night show, and as things be like this now, we just want to see how we take care of every on top of the show. And make we not say we carry last easy bit. You get some jams on the
you
understand?
Yes,
you not ready. Yeah, so in the form fresh boy, everything today. In the hot. Why they lick lips? I rebuke you. What's wrong with you?
Sure.
Why they worry you? Make I wear my glasses now before they feel like say you want the form seduction things. You cannot work against me. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, as you realize, I'll carry my guest enter into the building. Of course, I know this guy, very, very black somebody, you know. For near this guy, they feel like say a yellow, say somehow, not to the name and the swag and everything. But I like the fact that they combine rap and they see the traditional P. Okay, so on this level, ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring into the show my guy, my G. Easy, you ready? I think I'm going to hear diggy diggy. My guy, my G. My guy, my BlackMagic. I found there.
Blessing no go pass you by. He go bless you, so to them go ask you why.
You know I did that thing just now.
Well.
For some time now, they bring in guests inside this show, and everybody just a grab past me. So I just look your own biceps and everything, you know.
I would say, not the one where they made a groove.
Not the one we did. But me, I did try. That's how I just say.
You did try.
If I come out shirts here, my brother, you know, someone they try anything. You understand? So that's my church man. They take just they tell you this thing now.
Everybody go reach there.
Go reach there,
small.
BlackMagic.
How
do you love they be, my brother?
Man, everything they okay.
They feel your trad and your hip hop swag and everything. So now the whole concept for BlackMagic brand be that.
Yes, now, you know, say, as a magician, based on, once you talk black magic, first thing where you go reason now, juju levels.
Life. I'm saying I'll come there.
How you want a thief person, luck, how you want a thief person, destiny, all those kind of things. But on my own levels, based on say, okay, for this side, we they run all those kind of levels. Say, person feel you may forget levels. Me or feel to do one kind now. You feel transfer all your levels from your account to me.
Exactly.
But based on my own, if we truly get that power, where me believe say we get, me they use my own, they run the music levels.
Okay.
Based on that, now the music way, once you hear that jam, the way you go do it for body, you
say they use Ontop for you.
You go come out money from your pocket, buy, say man, me need this level. Say, this guy to try.
I like the as you take carriage, they say come out your money buy.
No.
Because not say people don't agree arrange things onto a money things now. So sometimes the hype they plenty pass the bar. With that they fall in. But aside all that one, because I know say okay fine, based on this explanation where you don't explain like this, all I enjoy your packaging and everything. But which side of the country BlackMagic come from?
Me not Delta.
You not Delta? But you not be like Delta guy. Won't they be like all those Kogi?
You say, all in Nigeria now, the one where they go groove.
True.
Whether na from north, whether na south, or me the rock, or na Nigeria. Na green passport. Now not be say you from Delta get red.
Exactly.
Or you from east get blue.
All of us carry that one green passport things.
That's so now.
Correct. BlackMagic. But you just sit down. Just think calm. See, now BlackMagic I want use as name. You know, see anybody for your family in Abalis?
Not actually. You say my father they always in the always tell me that yes, man. Say you guys think. You guys think like whitey.
Okay.
But you go keep your own roots. You go remember say you're not black man, but you guys think like when you go because you know, say you want to when one Okada man tell me one day.
Okada man.
Okada man.
From advice.
You know say once you do Okada, I might say you the entire 10 minutes ride for Okada. You must one drop 1 or 2 stories. He say God now created the earth. He say when you go now build them. Now beautify them, arrange things. See, black man want to spoil everything. Because it out. So based
because I can't think we can spoil things.
I think one of the spoil things we did. So based on that one, I make original say which one be black man also spoiled in the spoil things. You understand? Based on all those same juju levels. So me self talk say me want change the perception of BlackMagic. Understand? Juju day, yes, Juju day, but waiting you to take and do. Different kind of power day.
Yes.
Good power, bad power, but the only time we power the good or power the bad, now waiting you take and do.
Now for the usury of the power.
You understand? Because that year, as Bros J, based on Jesus, as he run the own that year, who he touch your eye, not the see before he can't the see. Say, hey, Jesus don't do, say, Jesus don't do for me that guy na highest too.
Yes.
Who they groove that year? Come meet mama say, I bet me Bros J turn water to wine. No, more groove they go. They say, hey, Bros J na highest. You understand? Who he not do for go the vex.
Exactly.
All those kind of things. So.
When I see power, last. No guy want to look at when I local power, international power, Indian power.
So now me take reason the name BlackMagic. Say, first of all, the thing will make you ask me that question, and the thing will make me pick that name. Say, if person come now, they come knock for your door, person call your phone, say, how far na BlackMagic? You say, which one be BlackMagic? Or you see BlackMagic for one magazine, I say, one guy picture, say, the guy named BlackMagic. Normally, you go think, say, the first thing we go reason, say, which one be BlackMagic?
Now, Abalis come out.
Which kind of juju they do? So you go always want reason me say, man, which kind of juju
this
me they run?
Exactly.
So you go always, if na music they there, you go click the music. Now video they there, you go click them. You go one here. That's that. So to bring that reasoning come on your mind, I make me pick that name. And plus, he follow the things when me they do based on the music level. Based on say, say who go and say me no want explain how me take run my package. If you ask me, I say, okay, how me take run the magic? Me not fit tell you because who go meet Dibia? which one be then give?
You actually be like who they form concussion. You know when they say, if you not say you know what, the thing go be like, hey, go shock you for you.
That's so now. Which one be Baba go bring egg come say see this egg? They go put them for back of where you sleep. You go to find them every morning 3 times. You not feel explain how that egg want to bring make or you not feel explain how that egg want to make your landlord forget say
true
you the old rent, but you believe say man if I do this way Baba tell me it go happen and that's what they be. So based on that same name you not feel ask me how me to run the music levels. Maybe say some people say hey how you take run this say if you teach me which one be then they teach you you go groove them as you say which one be
oh man you know. So just match your lead, just there.
To the attempt to Israel.
Exactly. So as it be like this, now onto music P and everything, you know, say most of your jams don't come bang. You say you don't hit us from different angle, different kind of things. Now rap.
Yes.
Rap. Because when you say sometimes you always run some things with your voice. I'm not gonna say you be vocalist, how they call it again. When they run, okay, the backy W for example, now they form love and every. You understand? But you do your own in a rap form. See, they add some kind. You they do poetry.
I'll join for the
whole because I know say most rap artists they say they be lyricists. Some of them they do spoken word. Some they do poetry and all those things. So, but for you now, rap. Why the choice of rap? Say now, as you come, they enter the things. Rap just come enter for the corner somewhere.
Listen, na rap man first they form that year.
That year.
That year.
You know, join the team where they follow Tupac and Biggie and everything that time.
Now the one where they group that year now. So we they give them the based on the one where they hear the small B.I.G, the Tupac, them, the DMX, the Eminem, we they group down. So man want to be like those guys. You know, the Jay-Z them. So man they rap. Want to yo all those kind of things.
Lyrics.
So based on that one, as my own take good reach, you know, based on where me and my friends they our small cacos for there. Me they do my own rap, they jig. So now I can if actually me not really be singer like that. Because me first they always sing as guide. You say me go first sing the thing when me won't sing, but true because me no say my voice not a jig like that. Me go sing am just as guide. So me go sing say because me no want to sing am. Me can call another person say this not the kind of thing where me want make you sing. So because say me they write the song, me don't package everything, but me go first put my own. So me can say it be like what me do for Richard Femi. But that pass you by now. So me don't first sing am, you know, but me no say to get the real essence of that level.
So one that person when you get a wrong voice, just go ahead and can't do the thing. But you don't just
me not sing my own. So especially when Richard Femi can't sing you, the way it comes sweet past my own, me no want me anybody ever hear say me true. So now they match me for you tell me say, okay. me first sing before, but based on the way when he singing, it's too sweet. Me don't want to hear my own again, so me did this one. But so down at the level, so me always just sing guide levels, call other people come sing. So the day when me do one, me do one by myself. Next thing, as I play all those rainbow tomorrow, me they play for my producer, say, see what me do. Before we play, me talk, say, hey, I bet me no vex to say, not just the way I reason say the chorus me, so it would be, before you know, he talk, say, guy, he jig like that too. Say, don't set, nothing will they change for you. So before you know, they play that one, people they talk, say, hey, your voice, you sabi sing. So.
But somewhere, it's just to say you shall know music things at least. You know, and you know your lane. No, some people want to form voice. They do some other things, but we don't enter that whole gist. But now, not true now. Pass you by. We go see that video now. You and Oshefemi.
Yes.
Now pass you by the title now.
Yeah, now pass you by the title.
So we'll go see that video quickly, sharply. And by the time we come back, we just round up onto the whole gist and everything. So don't forget, I see the late night show, and of course, BlackMagic Day will turn inside the building. We'll not be going anywhere. So we'll just see the video sharply. We'll come back and we'll continue everything on top the show. All right, easy bit. Take it away.
Yeah, man.
Blessing I go pass you by.
Bringing person voice to the whole thing, to take blend every. But now wise move, Sha. Now wise move.
That's say you been the
Me? This one not just they believe me. This DJ, you know they believe say I get the voice.
Let time sing now. You see that very song, like, go turn out the worship song.
Not be worship. What I worry this guy? He just a beef anyhow.
yeah, you sing one.
Okay.
You sing one.
Okay, which tell me to make I sing.
Yeah, they pass you by way job.
Have I got?
No.
No, if you not say make I can't sing down.
Easy.
You still can't worry me. But I like make I just sing out, say just on my own pee. You understand? No worry. Before I come out here, I'll go do it. This guy can just like the fall hand. And he forgets that my DJ. Have you all walking come up for here now? Hey, worry, they do anything like this. All right, but quickly. So what? Which other things then would they hear from BlackMagic anytime soon? As in stuff we do on ground now, stuff to come.
Well, as at now, me just drop one new video, Africa remix.
Okay.
I'm not supposed to say them by now.
That one go jam immediately after you come out.
Yeah, we feature Fino, Reminisce, and Vector.
Right.
Based on the hip hop levels, so may not be like sing, also sing, babe, things once in a while, give them one or two rap. May not be like. So now that one day, me still get new single we go drop on top of my birthday. Will be April 21st. We here.
April 21st.
April 21st too.
21st. I get one guy with like 20th. Not 21st. If the guy fit dey prison now.
But me not 21st.
Na bad boy.
So not forget me na.
No, go arrange your things now. No worry.
If you drop gift now, anytime, you don't need to wait that day.
No, they do like this now. Why they rush like this? We go arrange our own. No worry. Just give us the info. We na beat to the beat too.
Nah, the info me don't give you now.
Okay, so no problem. Now just let us. If you just people flog you Koboko from nowhere because we don't always reason say that year you worry Male. So we just want to take you through that small pain again. So if I give you got a brushing first, they'll come give you, present you something.
Which one be, me they'll come see me say, hey, now because based on say you worry me then they be say, you know go that kind of.
And then going to say, you know African magic. Don't change that for us. All right, but okay, all that's coming to BlackMagic. Which woman they on board now?
Woman.
Yeah, because no, I don't ask like because I imagine you they introduce yourself to your girl Popsy. As good day, sir. My name is BlackMagic. If you worry.
So you know say anything we do na the level where follow come. Be like
I see they talk now. I see you tie red wrapper. Sit down for ground. You know, that's I just see you.
You know as Nigeria thing they be na waiting be which one be BlackMagic? First squeeze face.
Yes.
And I when I see say naim park motor outside. Say, okay. What did they do again? Okay, they try. You know, but on a more serious note, the one way me deal with now.
Yes.
Me never get babe. Yes, me see they use that. Because you know, they say you go find the best things when you know the true
find the hair.
When your mind not there.
Yeah.
So me don't come on mind say.
See, I find. It just happen along the line.
No, me come on mind based on say me the form say me not the fine.
Okay, you so the form say you know they fine.
So me go see, but low key me the.
Low key, you fine.
Me the fine. Me not be like.
For those of now they watch now, just know you can present yourself acceptable for the living sacrifice. You understand me now? You understand? So, easy. Yeah. Now wisdom be that too. So, heavy wisdom.
Very deep.
Now you they form single now. The form say we know, but we know say we.
That's
so you understand now?
That's
Wisdom. This is now so. So if you don't know what they talk now,
so you know something. Why you go to try to convince me?
The one that they talk now, me won't come the fear.
You dey fear. So now you dey fear since now. You don't see your whole BlackMagic moves for this place.
Me na African man, original.
No, but seriously, from way back, even when we did for Wazobia FM and all that, so several times we don't come, you don't appear like this.
That's so now.
You get your touch of this one.
Represent Africa.
I think yes, it's very important. So we must always go our roots and everything.
Yes, now which one be you the phone speaking pidgin? You the wear suits up and down.
No, sometimes they fly native.
No, which one?
See my boss. My boss is at the red now.
If me snap you now, how me want to know say you come from Africa? Okay.
I go hold this pillow.
This your baby. I was be say this your baby now. Me no say.
No, they sometimes they put carries joint.
Yeah.
They say.
So me must represent based on say me na ambassador for Africa and you know me the aim for the Grammys. So once me climb stage, me won't collect my award.
Yeah.
Once they see this at the right levels.
Representing.
International television.
Yes.
You know, say it don't happen no.
I'm finding it now. You turn to trending things, you know, onto fashion
who they copy, they copy. Then the group the one with them, they for everybody. Not me start and not me go end up.
But loving your swag, man, seriously. Loving your swag. But so quickly, easy bits. You get some questions for BlackMagic.
Yeah.
Okay, so BlackMagic, before we do that particular thing now, because we'll try round off for everything on top of the whole interview piece.
Okay.
You could all hold these two, sharp, you know. Now, just one thing what they do for our celebs, then when they come onto the show, you could just snack you question. Anything where you just feel, say, okay, fine, yes or no. You could just carry on, say, okay, now yes, be this one.
Who go show? Naim go show.
No, you just show the camera where they are from. Now, this was like camera for you. So you just show the camera, say, okay, now it's the answer for the question. Be this.
Okay, so may I show the camera and may you not see?
No, I feel see him now. Now no be anything. Because all of us go see him, but you go ask a question.
Okay.
You hear that tune? Now shocking tune.
You
know supposed to shock you now. You supposed to use all this thing. You know.
They win for this level.
This one. You carry one drink.
Don't be the music. They don't come. They be like, I want to be me.
No, I said, but I hear it. It's going to blend with African magic.
Come like say won't do the magic.
So for someone at the here, okay, so easy. You ready?
All right.
So
as you don't need this thing come so far, you don't ever get anything where they bother you for mind. Say, this is my pattern when I choose, so you go pay me.
So you never So you never ever reason that before. Say, come, let's say this no go bring money. Oh, say, but let's say who go flog me join this thing. So just say you're thinking P. So you just shop for yourself from beginning.
Based on belief.
Based on belief. Correct.
All right. Okay, and the second one on the list. If not for yourself, as a BlackMagic, you never hear any song where some artists do, you go feel say, yes, I wish and I miss sing the song.
I the like sincerity.
You understand?
If you don't give us the song. Okay, no,
no,
go overhype one person or something.
You understand? Okay, and the third one on the list. If not for artists based on BlackMagic as you be, waiting be the second thing you like to do. And if it's make you prefer that thing over music, now they just bring some good amounts, you go do them.
Hey! Based on belief.
Based on belief.
Based on belief.
Then the last one.
Finally. What you they do? Even me, my heart they beat. Nobody they ask the question. Why they choked on behalf of BlackMagic? They choking me.
It's not the winning question.
You don't ever high, so say you lose guard based on BlackMagic. You just high, you just lose guard. Your guys, they can't arrange you.
Only can they sing soprano. Hi! BlackMagic way. Tinka. No. Yeah. She not say no they drink at all, abi.
No, based on whether me don't day read, don't day so my guys go, no.
Okay.
Me don't day so me wrong go arrange for one other side.
Okay.
But not be say me don't.
Can't do any.
I can't do any.
BlackMagic, man, seriously, we enjoy you. Thank you very much. You show on top of the show.
Yes, sir.
But we'll come out with your video. But at the same time, how do we reach you on top of social media platforms there?
Anyone way you want to do, whether on Twitter, Instagram, anyone, or na at EJ BlackMagic, and EJAY BlackMagic. For those who know if you spell BlackMagic. Yes, na EJAY BlackMagic or EJAYBLACKMAGIC. For me, they assume say many people go to school, so no need. It may not be like say me don't want for the hand. So me believe say
on the absorption level, I don't hear them every from BlackMagic. One last word for your fans when they watch you.
Everything what you want to do for life, you guys they based on belief. You guys believe them. If you not believe them, you not go work. That's what you'll be. Not the hard. If you believe yourself, other people will believe you. So believe yourself at all times.
Based on belief.
So
believe yourself at all times. BlackMagic, thank you very much. You joined us on top of the show.
Thank you.
I really appreciate you, bro.
Thanks, boss.
All right, so the late night show still continue. Okay, so when I just stick around and we'll continue with BlackMagic video. By the time we come back, we'll still continue with every episode of the show. All right.
I think me don't win.
No, we'll give you.
Where did that when me win?
Okay, you're winning trophy. Okay, all right, very, very making sense, D. Once a very, very big thank you to The Laugh. We follow us on top of the show for the beginning and all the comedy skits and everything they give us. And we're going to see them as often as possible for the show because we just want to bring in different angle to make sure so they bring entertainment, going to give Una. Of course, and I want to say thank you to BlackMagic who joined us on top of the show today. Biggest respect to you. Thank you very much. As they hold down the African things, we make sure say all of what they represent on our own different level. All right. So Easy Bit, thank you very much too. And of course, all of now we watch the show and they with us. Everybody waiting for back, plus people that with the verse and everything. Say big thank you to all of now. God bless us all. Of course, we go see you now on top of the show continuously. God bless you. Get better night and good night.